Here's an update from the law offices of Robin Bresky.
The law offices of Robin Bresky recently obtained a favorable decision in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit on behalf of an employer, a family-owned warehouse facility that was sued by a former employee for alleged violations of the Fair Labor Standards Act. The former employee claimed to be entitled to overtime pay, arguing that his pay structure was a failed attempt to fit within the Bellow Agreement exception to the general overtime rule. A jury decided in favor of the employer, finding that the former employee was properly paid and was not due any additional overtime compensation beyond the commissions or non-discretionary bonus payments for which the employee was granted a partial summary judgment, which were not at issue in the appeal. The trial court denied the former employee's motions for directed verdict and judgment notwithstanding the verdict. On appeal, the law offices of Robin Bresky, through of-counsel attorney Michelle Feinzig, presented a brief on behalf of the employer and refuted the former employee's argument that his pay structure was a failed Bellow agreement. The brief also pointed out all the evidence showing that the former employee was properly paid time and a half for all overtime hours worked. The 11th Circuit agreed, finding no merit to the argument that his pay structure emanated from a vain attempt to establish a Bellow agreement. The court concluded that the former employee's motions for directed verdict and judgment, notwithstanding the verdict, were properly denied. The law offices of Robin Bresky is pleased to have secured this victory for the client. The law offices of Robin Bresky, depth of research, strength of knowledge.
For more information, visit BreskyAppellate.com.